Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the text size in the Beep application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the application, you can just look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see the more option. Press on it and here in this page you should select the last option, which is settings. And essentially you can just select here the appearance option, and here you can just see the message text size, and you can just change it, and you can see the example down below. If you change the text size, this is how it's going to look like. Now you can also have it in default. I do think that the default is the best one, but if you like bigger letters or a little bit smaller, you can set it like you can set it here basically. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.